Hey everyone, it's Timmy here with Create with Timmy with a fun new beachy project featuring this gorgeous 9x12 chalkboard surface and our Eat, Sleep, Beach, Repeat design. So I hope you're going to like this design today. We're going to be using an ombré technique, and that is using 3 coordinating colors from dark to light that will allow us to be able to get a nice kind of blended effect. We're going to start by placing some of the chalk paste, the first color at the top when we're using Lakeshore Blue at the top. The middle is our very popular couture teal, and then lastly we've used a little bit of our bright white chalk paste. So we're going to just spread each section of the chalk paste over the surface of the screen until all 3 colors have been spread out and the majority of the screen itself has been completely covered. So once we have finished with our second color here, we'll head on and with a new squeegee go with our third color, that bright white. And then the last piece is actually using our finger to blend the colors where they intersect. So just dampen your finger just a tad with a little sponge, and then brush your finger across the screen to blend the 2 colors. Blend as much as you'd like until it gets the look that you'd like. Once you're done, just simply peel back and reveal the design. So isn't that just so fun? An easy technique to do simply. We've added a little embellishment here. This little flower holder is being transformed into a cute little sand pail that we're going to add to our Eat, Sleep, Beach, Repeat sign. And of course, we have to add a little summer flair to it with the little summer mini chalk suede tag. So I've just punched some holes into the aluminum pot that I found, and I have added some wired twine to the holes, and we're going to use that wired twine to hold the chalk suede tag in place. So we've just added the tag, the screen, that we're using for the tag right on there, spreading out our chalk paste again, peeling back and revealing that cute little summer design. And we're going to go ahead and now place that last piece onto that wired twine and threading it into the pail. So that's it. We've got this cute little pail. We can then embellish it with whatever we want. I'm going to put a plant in it today. And that finishes out our project. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to watch me and follow me at createwithtimmy.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.